So we are in La Push, and I'm not sure what this rusted metal hulk is. I almost wonder if it used to be a part of a boat, because I see fiberglass too. But that's the Coast Guard station down there, end of the road. Here's their little marina. Crows waiting for lunch. It is surprisingly a little chilly here. I love the rocks though. That's the Pacific Ocean on the other side of that rock pile. Or I should say jetty. But we are gonna walk this way a bit. Oh, they have a museum right here. So there used to be a restaurant and right here by the water, but it looks like it's closed, unfortunately. Let's see, Quileute Tribe. This restaurant, I think, is closed, unfortunately. Riverside restaurant. Looks like it would be fun. They closed, so they're only open in the summer. They closed on September 14th. That's too bad. So they're closed for the year. A little pumpkin down here. Wow. Geraniums, I think. Oh, and tomatoes. But we're gonna go see what's over this way. And then I think we're gonna drive to the little hotel by the beach and walk around there. This is neat. It is cold here. So I wonder if you can get over to that big island, or if it is an island. I think it is, because a boat's coming. That's a Coast Guard boat. Yeah, this totally looks like something out of the movie, the Twilight movie. This view right here. We are walking back to the truck. We're gonna go park by the little hotel RV park by the water and walk over there. And then we might check out the general store, or like RV store thing. See if they have any food we might want. But it is chilly. The wind. Definitely not what I expected here. It's still neat though. I guess I thought there was some businesses. I don't even think there's a gift store. That's neat. Good thing is parking's free. So we are gonna check out this coffee stand, but they're closed, or the person's taking a lunch break, they think. But so we're gonna walk around a bit, and we might try the store if coffee place, if the person doesn't get back soon. It's like somebody's having a wedding though. Yeah, these hotel rooms look really nice. Or I should say the outside, the building looks nice. Here's the wedding, Greg and Jackie. Oh my God, it's gonna be cold tonight. I'm sure they have lots of alcohol. Looks pretty neat. We are gonna walk to the beach. First, we're gonna go down here. All right, we are on the back side of the cabins. They look really fun. We're gonna go walk to the beach now. There's the hotel part. No fireworks, August 1st to June 13th. So then you can have them June 13th to August 1st. It's a long time. Wow, this is neat. There's the campground over there. Jeez. Look at that. That is neat. I swear this was in the movie Twilight. Wow, that's a lot of driftwood. Alright, so we are going to walk back to the coffee stand and see if there's anyone there. Because also, we're kind of parked in the hotel check-in lot. And I doubt they want us to be there for hours while we walk on the beach, since we're not staying here. We might drive down the road and find one of the actual parking spots for tourists. Actually, maybe we'll ask them where we could park. I would like to walk on this beach. I might do that. They might just say park in the trees somewhere there. But I think I'll go find out, because this beach does look really nice. Tons of people on it. Yeah, here's some more cabins you could rent. Not sure what that big building is. It looks like it has more rentals. So this is the area behind the cabins you can rent. Really neat. All the trees. I hope we could park here somewhere and walk around more. So this is the Lonesome Creek store and RV park. And they have a post office. So we are going to go to the beach now. Yeah, the store is pretty nice. They have a decent selection of food and stuff. So here is the Eastern campground. It's the older one. Trying to get to the beach. I'm not sure. Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to go this way. We're gonna go this way. Walk through the campground. Well, we paid $10 for a parking permit at the Quileute RV Resort and Hotel cabin area. Look at these fancy cabins you can rent. So nice. Wow. So you can't have pets in the deluxe cabins, and I'm pretty sure these are the deluxe cabins. But here's the other RV lot. Yeah, we might actually bring the RV out here in the winter and not get a cabin. Be cheaper. So neat. I like La Push. This resort is the happening place in town. Oh my gosh. I need to quit saying oh my gosh. There's a wedding going on here soon. I wonder if it's the same wedding we saw the reception part for by the hotel. Wow, look at the surfers. I want to see the wedding take place. Oh, there's their flowers. And this is the drink. Maybe they already had the wedding. Yeah, the wedding might be over. Why would you leave the flowers though? They're dahlias. Oh, this is neat. Wow. Here we are, Pacific Ocean. And if you have Verizon, you have cell service out here. AT&T does not. That is so neat. Oh, she got up. So we could have parked at one of the Olympic National Park parking lots and hike to the water, but this is the easiest way to see the ocean here. Just pay the $10 guest parking permit and you don't have to hike at all to get to the ocean, to the beach. Oh, look at that hammock setup. That's neat on the driftwood. So the second beach and third beach are around that point. You can't see them. This is really fun. Look at that hammock. It's neat. This is where La Nina starts. This is I shouldn't say starts, where we filmed the first effects of it in Washington. I can't imagine being out here in a storm. It would be fun. I should come out here and do a day trip on a big storm. Oh, look at that water hitting the rocks over there. That is neat. Wow, this snag is twice the size of ours in our yard. But check this out, straight up. All these big giant boulders. Wow, look at these people climbing the rocks. Jeez. Oh, they made it. So now we're gonna walk to the opposite end. Oh, I love the waves. We are walking west now. I feel like I'm in California, kind of. Such a nice beach. Like Washington doesn't have many beaches like this. Let me look at the waves. And there's no storms, I don't think, in the area. I can't imagine being here with a storm coming through. So I was gonna try and cross here, but I don't want to get my shoes all salty. Instead, we're gonna walk back up the creek and cross on the logs. Oh, this is freshwater here. I couldn't cross here. Here, cross here and show me how deep it is with your shoes, because I might be able to cross here and see how far up it goes. Oh, that doesn't look bad. I could probably do that. All right. Yeah, I think this is good right here. Oh, that wasn't bad. My socks are dry. We are halfway back up the beach. That's where we started. Wow, that is a giant snag on the bottom of that tree. Straight ahead. So this is the mother of all trees. I mean, look how big the base of this is. Wow. It's hollow on the inside. I have never seen a tree this big like this. Jeez. Oh wow, so the top isn't as big as I thought. The bottom sure is huge. Wow. That is neat. You could camp in here overnight, sleep in there. That is cool. People have carved stuff in it. Wow. There's graffiti on the inside. Alright, we're gonna keep walking. That'd be neat to have in your yard. We made it to the western end. We're not gonna go any farther. Getting kind of tired. And it's very windy walking into the wind. Getting a little chilly. But I think we're gonna head into Forks and find a restaurant. Try and get some real food. We got a long way to go back now. I'll have to see how far we walk when we get back to the truck. Oh, that is so neat. I bet the sunset is just amazing here. Can't imagine. It's a big wave. Oh, I think the tide is coming up. So I think that's the cell tower we're getting our signal from. No wonder there's such good service here for Verizon. We are heading back up to the mainland. We're gonna walk by the wedding reception, see if it's going on yet. We want to see some festive partying. All right, I might have to put the camera away to get through this. Yeah, I think I do. We are back. Headed to the truck. We're gonna walk by this reception. Doesn't look like anything's happening yet. I see someone at the bar. Wonder if that's the groom. He's drinking already. It's all right, buddy. He'll make it. So we stopped at the Three Rivers Resort and Store, and look at this campground. I think it's really nice. Definitely have to check out their website. Looks like it'd be a fun place to stay. So here are some of the tent sites. The RV resort we just stopped at. It looks nice. I like it. They have a porta potty for tenters. Hopefully they have a real bathroom too. Yeah, this is neat. It's very shaded. I like the trees and all the space. So they don't have a ton of RV spots, it looks like. It's not a huge place. This would be an awesome spot. Oh, I like this one, 15. Wow. So, I almost forgot about the sign. Welcome, Twilight fans. Treating line. I remember this from the movie. But it's right by the campsite. So we are gonna head home now. I think we're gonna try and drive through 2 campsites and just check them out. But this is the Three Rivers Resort. This might be the end of this video. Thanks for watching.